Hello, my name is John Green. This is my week 4 project. For this project, we had to fine tune a few things for our apps. Taking some feed. This actually applied to feedback we got from our week 3 storyboard, and this is what I did. So the three things that were pointed out to me by my instructor were try to get it to work on a device other than a tablet, and also try to get it working in a view other than portrait. And as well as two things not being too clear, the logout not being too clear, as well as the delete being a little bit confusing when you're deleting an account. I have to say two things. The login button, the login flow, because I'm not actually coding the app, that's a limitation within Storyboard, and I tried doing a workaround while having to do too much code, and it's not impossible, obviously, but it's just too much work to try to get it. The login tab, as you can see here, really made efforts to try to actually get it to work. The login items have disappeared altogether, but they're still there if I were to actually submit the app. But getting that actual tab to change to log out and not to say login, the code, just getting that code to work would have been too much. Also, the second thing with the iPad, I can show you in the storyboard as you see here. But if I were to run the app, for some reason, some bars, like black bars, will show up as if the aspect ratio wasn't correct, and it wouldn't display correctly. But you can see through my storyboard how the app flows and how it works. So for this project, I decided to do it for an iPad, and you can see, the actual aesthetics are sort of the same, but the format the layout has been changed for an iPad. Things are a little more centered for the iPad instead of being, it looks the exact same as you see it on the phone, but because it's the iPad, it's centered for the iPad and there's more white space, I guess you can see. But I'll flow through the app. You click login or you click sign, which would be a tab right here, but in my efforts to code in the login button becoming a logo button, once you progress through the app, tabs have been removed altogether for some reason, but they do still work if I were to simulate the app. But sign up button right here would tell you to sign up if you don't already have a sign up. And like usual, in my week 3, you would go here, follow the information, click next, and then click sign up, and then it would take you to the same place that you would go to if you click login down here to the login to the account page. And Forget Password so runs that alert that allows you to reset your password by sending you an email. And because of, like I said, in week 3, because of limitations in the code, inputting an actual email having to send to you also won't happen. Next screen you'll get here is is account screen with an add button to add new accounts. If you want to add a new account to this page, pin information, click done. And another tab like this will come up, like you would say ANA Federal. If you would click one of these, though, after you have added one, or you click current when you check you currently have, it'll take you to this page right here, which shows you your current funds. And after you do that, what happens is you have options for edit and history. You go to history, it comes out here, shows you history, shows you the date all these transactions took place, the type of transaction, ATM, DFAST, defense, national defense, Netflix, and Battle.net, and then shows you transaction amount minus 20 plus 1400 minus 799 minus 1400. It shows you the balance after each one of those. And if you were to go to edit, it would come here and gives you the option to edit your account. Just like on week 3, because not much is different. Everything worked pretty well on week 3, so I kept most of it the same. I just added things and changed things, per the feedback that I got. One big thing that changed is the delete button. Originally was a switch here that the delete button was grayed out at first, and then a switch, you can switch on the active delete button so you actually delete the account. I did that for security reasons, so somebody wouldn't delete their account by accident, but I was told through my feedback that it was a little confusing. So what I did is I have this button right here that you would click, and alert dialog will pop up saying, for confirmation, are you sure you want to delete the account? Then you would click yes, and then we delete the account. So a lot more seamless and a lot more intuitive. And that's it for this app. Like I said before, I wish I could actually run the simulator like I did for my first for my week 3, but because of the code not working correctly, I'm not able to do that. But you can see through my layout how everything would flow and how everything looks. But that's my week 4 assignment, and I'll see you guys in, I believe, mobile frameworks too. So see you guys then. Bye.